simplify. Here we have a complex fraction. You have fraction over fraction. One way to simplify is to find the LCD among all these fractions. So LCD of x, y, y, x would be x, y. The next step is to multiply each term by LCD. You don't add these. You don't add these or subtract them. You would multiply each term by LCD to eliminate the fractions. So let's do that. I'm going to go ahead and multiply this by x, y over 1 and do this for each of these terms. My next step would be to reduce these. And as you see here, y and y turns to 1. X and x turns to 1. Here y and y turns to 1. And here we have x and x turns to 1. By doing that, you won't have complex fraction anymore. Then you would have, at the top of the fraction, you only have y here. And here you have x. At the bottom of the fraction, you have x times x. I give you x squared minus y squared. So by multiplying by LCD, you get rid of the complex fraction. You could add or subtract these and write this as one fraction over another fraction, send division to multiplication, but that will take you a lot more steps to get to what you're here. So all we have to do now is to factor these and reduce them. As you can see, here we have x minus y times x plus y. It's the difference of the square at the bottom of the fraction. Here we have y minus x, and here you have x minus y. To reduce these, I can factor a minus 1 at the top of the fraction. You notice that I'm not multiplying this minus 1. I'm factoring a minus 1 here. So to do that, I put minus 1, and open the parentheses. I would ask myself, what times minus 1 give me this first term? That would be minus 1 y. So it would be minus y. When I multiply minus y by minus 1, I get plus y here. To continue, what times minus 1 give me minus x? This should give me plus x. So as you see the top of the fraction, I get minus 1 or just minus. And then if I switch this around, that would be x minus y. I can clearly see that x minus y can cancel now. So in this case, I would get reduces to 1. And at the end, I would get minus or minus 1 over x plus y. So you notice that if I have y minus x, I can factor a minus 1 and write this as minus x minus y. In general, if you have a minus b, you can write it as minus b minus a. So in your expression, when you have y minus x and x minus y, if I factor a minus 1 from either of these two, then I can reduce them to equal to minus 1.